just to get that part of the game back, because it's a really vital part if I want to make some towns, which is what actually I've been planning on doing next, which you can see here. There's like a little town, 3 houses that you can go into. One of them has some windows, the other 2 are the exact same. So what we're going to do this live stream is, firstly, we're going to hop into a new project and work out how to use a new text system that I found by a YouTuber called Friendly Cosmonaut, which she does really amazing videos. But that aside, this is, yeah, it's looking, I don't know, I like the look of my game so far. I'm this little blob. It's like not anything for now, but it will be something soon, hopefully. But right now, I'm just adding stuff to it, and yeah. So, actually, is there water reflections? Yes, there are. There's water reflections, yeah. Let's save this. Let's go back to the home area, and I already loaded this up so that we could take a look at it and dissect it. So, this is basically what it is. So there's these little mouth movements, and I'll show you the basics of the game. Oh yeah, also you might note, I no longer have oh, hang on, let me just pause the music for now so you can hear this. So I'll turn the desktop audio up. And then you can choose between the best options. So I'm gonna say green is the best color. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll turn this back down and I'll press play. So that's what we're adding. So we need to dissect this. So text box instances equals 0, choice variable equals green, character count equals 20, string length equals 40, choice equals 0. Alright. Let's start breaking this down, I guess. So, firstly, let's go into the room and let's see what objects are there. So, in the instances, we can see we have object example and object player, and we also have object camera, sorry. See, what does object camera do? So it's not following an object. So object camera, what does this do? Let's have a look. Create text event. Okay, let's see, what do these do? So text speaker, effects, speed. So this is the speed, yeah. This is, oh no, this is the speed here, yep. Type, -1. Next line, -1. Change variable. Text color. Okay, so view equals view camera 0, yeah. In the draw event, so this one I'm guessing. Actually, let me just get up the marketplace version of this. So hold on. Let me. Friendly Cosmonaut GML marketplace. Okay, I found the depth system, so let's go through that, and here we go. So right here it says documentation page. Here we go. Alright, we have a video. This is getting somewhere. Credits. You do not have to credit me to use the asset. Nice. Alright, let's take a look. So project context, so sprite player. Let me just put this to the side real quick. Let me see if I can just grab it. Oh, you can see all my little tabs. So, sprite, example character, demo sprite for the example character, portrait player. The demo player portrait, yep, I've got all them. Name box, okay. Feel free to, yep, I'll replace with my own sprite, we'll definitely make that. This is a box where the actual dialogue text will appear, alright. This is the frame that draws the top of your character portrait, again you can replace it. Emotes, yeah, I've got all them. Sounds, none of these technically essential, you can remove all the sound elements. Scripts, create array is not essential. It's unnecessary for GS2, okay, so I can delete that script already. So what is it? It is create array. Okay, it's not even in here, okay. So let's just go through here, let's just click F12, just to hide that, okay. Create dialogue, yep, they're all essential. When an object runs this script, it'll create, oh, I just had my hand over the mic. That's a bit silly. When an object runs this script, it'll create an object text box object, alright, that belongs to it. This will become its my text box object, and then we'll hand over all of its dialogue variables, my text, my portrait, as well. Fonts, not essential. Font debug, essential. None of these are technically essential. Okay, so font dialogue. Let's just replace font. Let's just check out font dialogue real quick. Not available. It's size 32. Okay, so I'll select a font. I'll do a font. Let's just change it to a font called Nokia Cell Phone FC. Alright, let's press play and let's just see. So let's just see this in action. I just need to make sure that everything's fine. Welcome to the demo of the okay. Okay. So we can actually change this then. So let's make it a size 10. Size 10, I mean size 12 works better with it because size 10 you can see with like the little V there, it doesn't really work, so I'll change to size 12 afterwards, but I think it looks like it's a size 16 font. Right now it is debugging it, so hopefully it's all good. Oh, that's not gonna launch. Let's see if this will launch. It will. Nice going. Here we go. Welcome to the demo of the dialogue system. Hit the E button to go to the next page. This is an example of a one-time text event. It runs when, yep. Okay, now that's still a bit too small for me. So let's set up to 17 because it needs to actually be an odd number so that it has a middle, like a W there. Let's save it real quick and then let's run it. And let's see, so welcome to the demo of the dialogue system. Hit the E to go to the next page. This is perfect size. The M and the M. What's happening with the M? M-E, M-P, let's put that down to, let's put that up to 19. Just going to keep testing, because we'll get there at one point, which will be really nice. Okay, so 19 isn't the font, like it's gonna distort them a bit, like not make it even, but yeah, the O, the M in the O this time, let's make it 20. Let's just see. Okay, welcome to the demo of the dialogue system. Hit E to go to the next page. Oh, okay, let's see if this works, everybody. Oh, yeah, this is great. Alright, so we've done that. Objects. Not essential. Object player. Object camera is not essential. Object player is not essential. Essential is object text box, object text event, and speaker and emote. So, yeah, rooms not essential. Essential. There's no not essential rooms. What you need to do, okay. As said above, you can use an animated sprite with let me just bookmark this. Alright, you can use an animated sprite with multiple frames for GM. So GameX Studio 2 users, that's me. This sprite will animate at the speed of the sprite itself. To set it to the sprite editor, so yeah. The sprite draws the coordinates, which I have positioned down the bottom right corner of the dialog box, minus the X and Y buffers. Feel free to change these if you want it to draw on somewhere else. The origin of my sprite is at the bottom right corner, thus appears anchored to the dialog box's bottom right corner. You may want this too. Okay. I've added the shift to the X coordinate. Yeah, okay. Customize path speaker. Change the player object variable to whatever you want your player object, whatever you've called your player object. Okay. So let's actually, let's firstly copy this over. So I'm just going to quickly make this into a new thing. So I have a little like tab over here, you can see it right there. Whoop. But I'm just going to quickly copy the project, and I'm going to make just a new version of it, so I was just pasting it. There we go. Alright, so here is a new version of the thing. It'll take a bit to load, don't worry. Let me just minimize that so I can see the stream. So this is loading up, which is really nice. Yep, Game Maker game like no other. Let's put this here for now because we don't really need that. We just need to, like, you know, import that. Actually, we can just close that. Oh, what's happening? Heck. Oh, there we go. Wow, that's a bit. Alright, so what we can do is we can actually go My Library, and we can go to Dialog System. We can import it. So let's go. So Sprite, let's go add that to it. So we're adding the sprites, we're adding the sounds, we're adding the scripts, we're adding the fonts, we're adding the objects, and we're adding the rooms. Yeah, might as well. So now objects is like, we should really sort that out, but we now have in scripts, we have that. In fonts, I'm going to change it, the font dialog to the one that we actually set up before, which was Nokia at 20. So now what we can do is we can start tampering with it and learn how to use it through our game. So if you actually like look at this, and we'll just let this load real quick. It's just getting. Oh yeah, I have some shaders for the old version of that still here. So let me actually stop this, and I'll just delete those shaders. It's for something called Scribble. So I just deleted that. Alright. So let's just keep on doing that, and I'll named object player. Wait, what? I don't find any instance. So stack frame is at object pass speaker step. Okay, object pass speaker step. Oh, it was trying to import a new object to underscore player. Was it? Yep, it was. So all we have to do is simply open up this room. Actually, no, we don't have any object player anymore. Let's just see if we can just add this. So if we go objects, we can actually add just that, right? Yep. Then import it. Does that still... No. Okay, we're gonna have to rename object player to object player 1 for now. And then import it. So... So now we should have object player. There it is. Got it. Nice. Has no sprite currently, which is fine. We can actually just assign it the sprite underscore player. Has it become unstable? Like, really? I don't know. I'm gonna keep on going to this, so. Alright, so let's just save this, because it says come unstable. So, I don't know if it is. I don't know. Anyway, we now have that set up. We can set it to this. Has become unstable. Please save changes and exit. Oh, what? Goodness me. Mamma mia. Yeah, I'll exit that because that's there. Okay, let's restart it. Okay, I should stop. I should stop. Okay. Alright, let's see. Is this a new one? Is this the new one? Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Nice. Okay, so... my portrait, my voice, my font. Oh, wow, this is great. Okay. So we can add all this. My portrait talk X talks Y. Oh wow, okay. So control to walk. This is actually a nice movement. I like it. That's really nice. I like that movement. I use a really overcomplicated one. Create dialogue, just a little monologue. I don't really want that. I'm going to delete that. Alright, we should be able to play it now. And we should have a little blue box as our player. Yeah, what's he saying? Unable to find any instance for object. Oh yeah, because I need to add it into the room. Of course. Yep. No, I don't want it to be in there. No. Delete. There we go. Alright, here we go. So hopefully this works. I'm guessing it will, but it might not. Welcome to the demo of the dialogue system. Nice. It's very fast. Hit space, make and play a monologue happen at the date of it. Jesus, that's... What's this? Oh, object instance name. What's this? Script create dialogue. Okay. Script create dialogue. Wait, is it looking for object player? Let's look at this. obj underscore player. No, it's not in there. So let's see. Is it in object underscore example character? There it is, right there. Okay, let's go obj underscore player. Replace it with obj underscore player underscore 2. So let's go to the next one. That's the only one. Okay. I think that's it. I think that's... Oh, there it is. Yep, that's it. Alright, okay. Say it or else. Oh, green's best color. No. What? Oh, okay, that didn't create a new line. That was odd. That was really odd. Maybe if the one word is over the length of that, like, it will do that. That's what I'm guessing. See, look, it goes out, and then it has that. Yep. So it's creating a new line for the exclamation mark, but not for the new. Alright, so right now, can I add like another one? I'm just wondering. Oh, wrong. Okay, there we go. Case blue. Oh, okay, so then... Oh, I need to do it here. Whoopsie doodle. Alright. So I'm guessing that this does the same thing. Yeah, oh, whoopsie, wrong thingy. There we go, if you choose gray. My emotion equals 1. What does it say for that one? My emotion equals 2, okay. My emote equals 2. Just messing around with this for now. We're going to read the documentation after this as well, so hopefully this doesn't break it, to be honest. I'm just really testing out what this does. Run program complete. Oh, it failed to run the program. Okay. What is this? So... with non-zero status... I don't know why it didn't work. Okay, let's just... Maybe because there's not that? I don't know. Let's just... see if this will run. Failed. Didn't run. Okay, let's undo all of that. Whee! Let's just see if this will actually do the same thing. Let's see if it's only allowed 2 options. Yep, it's only allowed 2 options. Okay. Looky here, Green Hood. Exactly, thank you. Alright, let's keep reading the documentation. So if I go to this, here we go. Let's actually make this full screen. Alright, create your own speaker objects. If you want to make an object part of the dialogue system as a speaker object, you'll need to make it child of past speaker. Remember to put event inherited. Customize text box. No. Oh, that's a cool little scroll bar. Look at that. Anyway, let's see. And I don't know if this will work, but let's see if this will work in the room text area with object player. Well, I'm going to have to, you know, put this into it. So that's something, but oh, there you go. Alright, dialogue stuff, we have all that, right? So then all we need to put in room test area, if I just find where we are, is object example character. So I'll put that in instances, because that's just an easy spot to put it. So I'll put him here. And that should be it. Oh, and I need to make a new layer called what is it called? It's called text. Just like that, and that's gonna be above everything. Alright, so now I am cancel. Wait, what? I'm just trying to move it above it. Come on. There we go. Alright, let's see how well, or if this works. Please work, please work, please work, my child. Object player 2, yep, that's right. You're not looking for that anymore, little buddy. You're looking for object player. So, same with object player itself. In the create event, you need to go. Oh no, that was just for the camera. So. Oh, maybe not. At object pass speaker. Oh, yep, that was. It was at object pass parent speaker. Object player. There you go. Okay. Is there a debug button? Because I don't really want to press D for debug, but I don't know. Okay, it works. If I press D, it doesn't do that, which is nice. Hello, my friend. Oh my. It works, and it works well. So, we just need to make it smaller. So, I believe it had something about scale in here. So let's scroll up. Here we go. The entire, okay, yeah. Customize object text box. Okay, that's what we need. So object text box. Scale. Scale equals 1. Let's see that. Oh, there's a draw a GUI event, so I could just like put scale in there, but I don't know. Let's just zoom it around here. Zoom. Okay, so scale 1 is a bit like off, so I think scale 1.5. The font itself isn't that good, so I'm gonna decrease the size to 17. 'Cause 17 was good before. Actually, it'll probably be much more than that. It'll probably be like 9 or something. But I don't know. I mean, let's just run the code. I should have moved my object player, but maybe not. I don't know. Looky here, Green Hood. Oh yeah, this looks great. Oh, I got it. I got it perfect. Now, blue is the best color. Move out of the way, you silly boar. What I will do, however, is like object sign. I made a little this, and it's gonna be image speed. So I'll show you, because I have object sign in the room. I'll show you what I mean, because it just shows whether or not you can interact with the object, which is really nice. So you'll see if I work at object sign, it'll start flashing like that, and then obviously it just opens that. But yeah, it still is cool. So, but I like this. Look at that. Green's best color. Oh, I'm so sorry. All right. Let's pause the song because we're gonna listen to some stuff. We're gonna listen to the sounds. Because we're gonna try to make the signs. You can't even hear it. That's sad. All right. Well, we're gonna try to set up the signs. So basically, I think what this is. Alright, so what does this mean? User event 0. Like, can I make it where each sign has an individual thing using the instance create event? Oh yeah, because my text just equals this, so you can actually format it in any way you want. I think all you'll need for the sign is the my text. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to do reset dialog defaults. And then I'm going to just put that into the sign. So I'm going to put, so with sign, it needs to be, pass speaker needs to have a parent of, just in objects, it needs to have a parent of object shadow parent. Actually, no, it needs to have an object of, collision parent, because everything there is going to be, for it. Anyway, let's grab parent speaker and let's get to creating. So in the step event, we need to add event underscore inherit. So and now we should be able to set my text I. Okay. And I think that's it actually. So let's delete all of that. And if we go into object example character, there should be maybe a my text I, what? There I equals 0, okay. Yep. I plus plus. Oh, so it's saying like my text 1, my text 2, my text 3. Oh, wow. So you can actually like set my text. Oh, wow. Okay. That makes it a lot easier because now I can like set custom ones in the create event. Right? Anyway, my text 1 will equal it will equal a thing defined in here, so let's just go over here. Where is it? It's in ground objects. Here we go. Let's go creation code and let's go underscore text equals I'm a sign. Alright, so then let's go text 1, because I actually no, I'll add that later, but my text 1 equals string underscore text. And that might do it. I don't know. Like, I don't know if it'll do it. I don't know if it won't do it. Let's... Only one way to find out, and that is by running it. Well, actually, there's multiple ways of finding out. Detection radius, not set before reading it. Okay, let's, pull dialogue stuff, okay. For now, the sign will just have to have that. you know, my name equals sign. Yeah, and we'll just have to set like a custom sign portrait, and then we'll put that into the creation one, into the creation code. But I think that's good actually. So let's see if this works. Probably won't. Yep, it's looking for the detection radius. Let's see if this actually did it. Let's see, what does it say in here? Event inherited. Other code. Reset dialog defaults. Let's see. So this is parent speaker. Let's see what it says in here about the detection radius. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, got him. Alright, I'm back. Just had to mute my mic for a bit. But let's see if we can find this problem. So it says here, variable object sign detection radius not set before reading us. Variable detection radius equals detection radius, and that's with called from event inherited. So this is object gml object par speaker step 0 line 1. So there's no like var dir, and the chances are that that's going to be in a one of these. So if we find out event inherited, what does that mean? Oh yeah, it means you use that one. So let's just go Control F detection. Doesn't have anything, so let's go Control F detection. Nope, nothing. Create dialog. Detect. I already did that one, didn't I? No, I did that one. Okay, you see, it doesn't like go through detection for object example character either. It just does that. It does like switch choice variable case -1. My speaker. Oh, my speaker. That's what probably I need to do. So if I go over to the sign, and I need to actually go like this. My speaker equals obj underscore sign. Example character. Wait, hang on. No, there's still nothing in here about that. So I am not sure what it means by detection radius, because I'm not sure where it's actually calling it from. Detection radius, not set before reading it, but this doesn't set it on this either. I mean, I'll use it, but like, detection radius equals, I'm gonna say 32. So let's build, or just run that and see if it actually does it. No, what do you mean? Object sign.player object, not set before reading it. What? Variable object sign.player object, not set before reading it. Is it trying to? Oh, so it's trying to parent speaker, the player object, it's trying to run through this, but it's using object sign for some reason. So if I do, I'm not sure. Because if we just simply, you know, got this sign and just did that, which removes it completely from the game, like, does this problem happen with object enemy? No, it doesn't. See? So that is not looking good. That does not look good. That looks like it is. Alright, so I set that up, right? So then object sign is because the player's instantly within that area. Is that like it? So do I just have to like move the player outside of that area? No, still not set before reading it. Object signed or player object. Well, it never sets player object with this either, so I'm not sure. Let's just do this, right? Let's just copy that. And let's go, well, my speaker's already set, and I can go var I equals 0, because I know that's why you need to set it to 0. Oh, that was a silly mistake. That was, yep, that was. everybody. I'm using a different headset at the moment, or a different microphone, because my microphone likes to break when I mute it, and I muted it, so it probably sounds really like crap. But you also probably didn't hear me for the last, like, what's that? Oh wow, the last 10 minutes. Okay. So what I'm looking at now is I'm just looking at parent speaker, because it is looking at this, right? It's looking at all of these, but for some reason it's looking at sign. So it's as if sign did like with that, which event inherited. Oh right, because you got to do that at the top. Okay, that might work. Would that work? Like, I don't get why that would be the problem. Like, I don't get why that would change anything. No, it doesn't change anything. But it's looking at a variable for object sign. So I was looking at what object sign defined as player object. Like object sign, for example, defined detection radius is 32. I'm removing that because I don't know why it's done that. What we do know is that needs event inherited right there. I think that might do it. That would make sense. Just a big old, you know, yep, and it does it, and it does it really nicely. Does it? I'm a sign. He has a little happy face. That's nice. Happy face. I'm a sign. That's great, actually. That's amazing. I'm gonna say that's 1.7. I know what happened before with it not working, but it now works. It's now amazing. It's great. It's so good. We set it up to work, which means we can add separate signs and we can start doing cool stuff. I'm a sign. Full stop. Alright, let's get object sign. Let's get the key press event E to just go away along with this. We don't need it anymore. We just need this, which is really, really nice. We have less things than ever before. We can actually change this to this, possibly, which means that we get object speaker equals object sign, which, you know, it's gonna check back to see what object that is. But I'm a sign. It says it really small now. That's the thing, though. Like it sets it to that if you don't have, you know, this. So if it is it my types, maybe, I don't know, because I'm a sign, full stop. So definitely something was here, because before when I did it, it actually, what's happening? It's not, oh, let's just stop it. Let's just, alright. But anyway, this is looking really nice. I'm a sign, yep, see? So, what I'm going to actually do is I'm going to go into object text box, because it doesn't like the scale event. It uses it once, but then it just resets it. So I'm going to go straight here, and I don't know what to do. Well, USB device not. Yep, that's my microphone. So I don't know. Stop it. Like, can you seriously stop, buddy? because it likes a like a normal value. So that means that 1.5 won't work, because is object text box even being created though? That's the thing. Like, how is it being, you know, created? See, look, now it's appearing down there. So am I meant to put object text box into here? Like, if I do that, would that like help in any way? Yeah, I know. I have a lot of object, like, just meaningless objects, which I should convert into one just main object, but I don't really want to. See, look. Object text box. You're not meant to do that. Is this a parent? Is it like? Because the scale itself, like, only occasionally works. Because I think it just rounds it down, to be honest. Sprite width, name box times scale, divided by 2. I mean, let's just find out this. And if needed, I'm sure you can, like, set GUI size. Alright, it just set scale up. That's 2. Like, that's slightly bigger than before. So maybe we actually need to, like, increase the size. Yeah, that's what we need to do, but the text isn't increasing. So I don't know what's up with that, but something's happened. And we need to fix that now, so that's great. I can probably set GUI size. It might break it, might not. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully there's like a set GUI size down here. I don't know, I'll have to find it. Yeah, I'm a sign, I get it. Let's see, what do you say, mister? Looky here, Greenwood. Yep, okay, I just need to make the, font bigger. I can probably make it 20, actually. Which would be really nice. It's double 9, so it's, well, it's not double 9, but, you know, it's roughly speaking double 9, so may even be too small. I'm a sign, it's perfect size. That's amazing. The little emotions, I don't like that. Like, I might change that. If you go into sprites, where is it? It would be down here. Oh, okay, so it's actually saved in there. Yeah, I'm gonna set it to like red, green, orange. Just so you know, it lines up with that. Anyway, these are all 64 by 64, which means I can make them in 8 by 8, 16 by 16, etc. And these, I'm guessing, are just corresponding to it. So as long as you have the mouths in roughly the same position, it should be good, I'm guessing. Ow, I just hurt my thumb. That's a bit silly. Tired, wow. Oh, look at that text. That's odd. Cause I got rid of. Green is best color. No, I'm sorry, Mr. Blue. All right, let's keep researching this. Okay, so I've already worked out that. I just want to know the I don't really want to use that. Animated portraits, portrait idle, animation speed. Nope, I'm just gonna like download the sprites from this and use them. Alright, here they are. Here they are. So text, effects, speed, and colors. Okay, I see your objects. You may, where the entries are in pairs, you can enable my effects. So every time you tweak the effect speed, you want a two-part entry. The first entry should be the number, so the character count of the character you want to affect. So the first letter has 1 or 0, and the second entry, okay. For example, say we have these lines of nice. We want to make hello spell out slower than the rest, and make friend appear orange, and add an effect to R on the second line. Oh wow, that's cool. So you have 1, and then through 7, then you have blue, white, and then effects 1, 2. Oh wow. So 2 is wave. Wow. So let's actually, this is great. Okay, so spin, pulse, flicker, wave, and color shift. Okay, so let's do a shaky. Let's just try to customize this a bit when it comes to the sign. I think I'm gonna actually stop after this. After I customize it. So let me just grab out this. I'll move it to my second screen. So we want to make it. What do we want to make? So we want to make it where we have like an effects, basically. So we want to actually set effects, emotion, emote, my types, my speaker, my text color. So this is what we want. Actually, let's go into room test area. Let's go creation code underscore text underscore underscore text speed equals let's go, so 1, so let's go, so how many, so let's just count this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want to go from 5, we want to go 0.5, right? Underscore text effects equals, also if you are wondering why I'm using underscore on a local variable, it's because they're made in the creation code. That's how I use it, even though, you know, it could clash with the local variables. Not sorry, this is just normal variable, not a local variable. I think I said that. Talking way too fast. Anyway, we want to set it up so it says sign will be a wave, and it will also have a wave and color shift, so it will be 4. So we want to go 5, 4. Alright, so now what we can do is we can actually go into object sign, and we can go, what is it? It's my text speed I equals underscore it will equal underscore text speed, and what else we want? So we want my effects equals my effects, and then we want to have it because it's in an array, not Jesus, I mean, sorry, equals underscore text effects. Right? Does that work that way? I'm not sure. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it works first try. Hopefully it doesn't go to the point where I need to make it different. I'm a sign. Oh, look at that. That's great. That's great. Woo! Let's change that to make it spin. Let's add a cool little spin effect to it. So let's go 5, 5, and let's go. Actually, no. Let's go 1, 6, 5, 5. Let's just see what this looks like. Can I use multiple effects on the same thing? I don't know. It'll be really cool if it's spinning and waving and. You know what, let's just look. Okay, I'm a sign. It's not very. What's this meant to be doing? So you have 5. Okay, so I'm gonna actually have to put this below here because I think it actually calls them out in order. So if I put this here with that over there, and delete back, press insert. So I have 1, 6, 5. This is really nice. I'm going to actually end the stream after this. I'll probably do another stream in a couple days. I'm a sign. Yes. Look at that. That's amazing. Can we do multiple ones? Like, can we do color shift and like pulse? Because that's really cool. Let's make that, instead of pulse, let's make it a, I'm a sign. That's amazing. Oh, I love it. Friendly Cosmonaut did a great job on this. I'm a sign. That's cool. It's like it's dancing. Anyway, I'm gonna leave this here, but I'm gonna end the stream. I hope you all enjoyed it. I certainly did. But goodbye.